In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a powerful CRM system in Notion to manage your clients and sales pipeline effectively. Notion is an incredibly versatile tool for organization and productivity, and building a custom CRM can streamline your entire client management process. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. Hey guys, today we're diving back into Notion. Whether you're just opening the app for the first time, or you're looking to polish your skills, I'll walk you through my personal process for getting the best results when setting up a client management system. Our first step is to set up the database itself. To do this, you'll want to open a new page in Notion. Once your blank page is ready, simply type .table into the page. You'll see a few options appear, and you want to select Table View and then choose New Database. From the dropdown, this will create a fresh, empty table ready for our client data. Now let's give this database a clear and descriptive name. Click on the default Name column's heading and rename it to Client Company. This will be the primary identifier for each of your contacts. Next, we need to configure some essential properties, which are essentially the columns in our table that will hold specific pieces of information about each client. Click on the plus icon, which you'll find to the right of the existing name column. This is where you'll add new properties. For our CRM, the first property we'll add is Status. You'll select Status from the Property Type dropdown. This property is crucial for tracking where your clients are in the sales funnel. You can set up statuses like Lead, Contacted, Proposal Sent, or Client to give you a clear overview of your pipeline. After setting up the Status property, let's add another vital piece of information. When you last made contact, click the plus icon again and select Date. Let's name this property Last Contacted. This is incredibly important for ensuring no one falls through the cracks. Regularly reviewing this date will help you stay on top of your follow-ups and maintain strong relationships. Following that, we need to capture their contact details. Click the plus icon one more time and choose the email property. Notion has a built-in email property that allows you to easily send emails directly from your CRM. Then, add another property by clicking the plus icon, and this time select Phone. Similar to email, Notion offers a dedicated phone property for convenience. Finally, to track the financial aspect of your relationships, we'll add a deal size value property. Click the plus icon and select Number. This property will help you forecast your sales pipeline. After naming it, click on the number format option and set it to your local currency. This ensures all monetary values are displayed correctly and consistently. Now that our database is set up with the core properties, Notion's true power comes from visualizing the same data in multiple ways, which is why we need to create different views. On your database, you'll see a tab that says Add a View. Click on this. For our first new view, select Board. Let's name this view Pipeline View. In the Board view, you'll want to group this by the status property we created earlier. This is fantastic because it allows you to easily drag and drop clients as they move through your sales cycle, giving you a visual representation of your entire sales pipeline. It's a very intuitive way to manage your progress. Next, we want to create a view that helps us stay on top of our follow-ups. Click the Add a View tab again. This time, select either List or Table, whichever you prefer for this type of view. Let's name this new view Action Items. The key here is to set up sorting to prioritize who needs your attention. Click on Sort. We want to sort by the last contacted property, and crucially, we want to select Ascending. This means that the clients you haven't spoken to in the longest time will appear at the top of the list, ensuring you're always reaching out to those who might be most in need of a follow-up. This view is your daily or weekly checklist for proactive client engagement. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments, whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next. So, there you have it. You've now successfully set up a foundational client management system and sales pipeline in Notion, complete with essential properties and dynamic views for visualizing your progress and prioritizing your actions. This system will give you incredible clarity on your client relationships and sales opportunities. Remember, you can always come back to this video to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresh. Keep an eye out for our next video where we'll explore how to add more advanced features, like task management and deal tracking to this Notion CRM. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!